Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News TV page. Please like, share, comment, and turn on the notification. Do not forget to subscribe. Ebusia, and that topic here, anti-corruption and Operation Recover all loot oral as a major plank. The Assembly said John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, has formed a task force. Which task force no? A part of his campaign promises. Ube kaya see NPP for no. Omabe we are Scabby, and as Scabby were they have to recover and all those things. And he was coming to recover all those loots. And I one name operation oral way and oral English. Operation recover all loot. Now, and there you see John Mahama has come out. His Excellency has come out with a list of people who, 5 people who will be the core part of the operation, and I say oral and also operation recover all loot. Now, with this announcement, it has gotten a lot of people to start talking. And the talking, a lot of people are asking questions. And the questions first are based on the people who are part of this very committee. Or this very, team, as they call it. What the mandate is. And aside the people who are part of this team, also the person who is bringing together this team. Aoye Omampeni, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now, what is the bone for contention? Ube Kaya, in the history of this republic, Fourth Republic, started in 1992. JJ was president, J. Okufo became president, John Ivasanta became president, Nana Akufo, John Mahama became president, Nana Akufo-Addo became president. Of all these presidents I've mentioned, the only one that has been mentioned in a lot of corruption and bribery scandals is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Uko kai comments now, and I'll be reading the comments to you. A lot of people are asking questions. Esan said, Kaya, there was an interview by the BBC. And in that interview, they asked His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, say, Mr. President, have you taken a bribe before? Sa answer no wentimi a year no. Wentimi a year no. That was number 1. Number 2, we came to hear about Airbus scandal. And in the Airbus scandal, Martin Amidu said government official 1 was involved. Who was government official 1? John Dramani Mahama. That's what Martin Amidu told us. Then we heard about the Ford Expedition saga, gift, and all those things. And people are saying, say Basa Obi, Becca say, Obe fighting corruption. Then the last person who should say that is John Dramani Mahama. Esan said he is not a saint when it comes to the fight against corruption. He himself has been allegedly involved in many corruption scandals. And he who wants to call for equity now, he must call for equity with clean hands. That is about the person who is bringing the oral team together. Now, another person who is part of the committee, and I said the team that John Mahama has formed is Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa and Honorable Chairman ma sa team. Now, who is Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa? He's a MP for Northtown in the Volta region. One of the poorest constituencies if you come to Volta region. This honorable, when you go into the files, allegedly, he was involved in the double salary scandal. There were some MPs who were also ministers and deputy ministers who were receiving double salary. Allegedly, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa's name was mentioned in that very expose. And people are saying, say, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa does not have the moral right to be going after people who are supposedly corrupt and all those things when he himself has certain carcass and has certain skeleton in his cupboard. Another person who is part of this team also, lawyer Martin Kpebu. Mbekaya Ebusiamfo recently, there was an issue against lawyer Martin Kpebu. And the issue in say it seemed that somebody was writing a book allegedly. And the book, lawyer Martin Kpebu also was asked to write some part of the book and all those things. But in the end, lawyer Martin Kpebu allegedly wanted to appropriate the entire book for himself and go and publish it in his name and make the money for himself. And it became an issue. I think they even went to court and the court ruled against him and all those things. People are saying, say, so Obi with this character, allegedly, he wanted to use force to take it. And he had to take the intervention of the court for justice to be served. How can that person have the moral right to be on such a committee and such a team? Another member on the committee, Mr. Daniel Domelevo, Mbekaya, Daniel Domelevo, or now Auditor General before he proceeded on retirement. And since he proceeded on retirement, he has been a critic of the Akufo-Addo government. But people are saying, say, even for the former Auditor General, he too is not a saint. The reason he's not a saint, they say, he allegedly was having 2 birth certificates, and I say now or 2 different birth dates. And now him say whether he was due for retirement or he wasn't due for retirement. And so that was one of the confusions around why he was asked to proceed on leave and all blah blah blah. And people are saying, say, anyone who has been allegedly involved in this, in these issues where there is not some clarity or total clarity around who they are, what they believe in, their perceptions, or they have had legal cases, they do not have the moral right to go after people for that corruption and other stuff. The other people on the border, one Raymond Aka, who is an investigative journalist. Then we also have the COP retired Nathan Kofi Boache, and that is a 5-member committee of ORA. That aside, people are also asking, say, John Mahama, His Excellency, promised us a lean government. He said, he was coming to work with 60 ministers. And that was because he believes, say, Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, he had a very huge government size, which was not good and all those things. Now, people are saying, there is an office of the special prosecutor. And that is the office mandated to go and fight special corruption cases. And if you overlook this office and create another team, so-called team chairman, and we are sure said they will be meeting, that they will be sitting allowances and all, is it not the same duplication of roles that you are trying to prevent? Why not rather let the special prosecutor and the attorney general go and do this thing for you? And you bring in new people, and is it going to be with special salaries? Special allowances? Will it come with V8? Will it come with office space? So people are really, really concerned. And so when you go to the social media, people have been talking, and let me quickly read some of the comments for you. This is coming from Nana Jemfi. He says, meanwhile, Okujeto was a beneficiary of double salary, corrupt fighting corruption. Interesting. This one is from Maswell Nuro. Let John Mahama be investigated first to know his hands are clean. There has been a lot of allegations against him on corrupt charges. Let him clear himself first before he can investigate other people. You people think Ghanaians have short memories. And this one is coming from Nana Osei Kofi Mensah. In their capacity as what? Even special prosecutor backed by the law couldn't do anything, let alone a mere committee. Just the usual chop. Nah. Yet we will get the so-called men with integrity to go sit on the committee and demand sitting allowance, Ghana money, Mahama paper. Ghana money, Mahama paper, Mahama paper, Mahama paper. Ghana money, our money, Ghana money, yo. Mahama paper, jugu jugu, Mahama paper, jugu jugu, Mahama paper, jugu jugu. This one is from Joseph Hill. Under what legal authority are they going to work? As a citizen vigilante harassing people based on rumors, or they are gonna pass a bill to back them? If so, what happens to the office of the special prosecutor, who is drawing salaries, and will this team take allowance or salary? NDC will gradually win the heart of many youth, and the defeat for MPP 2028 gonna be worse. Okay. Now this is from Sakode Joshua. It will never work. The NDC also did the same, but the MPP did nothing to them. This shows how corrupt the Ghanaian system is. So let us know. Mahama has come out, His Excellency has come out with a list of people who are going to serve on the so-called ORA, Operation Recover All Loot. We don't know if they are going to take salaries, they are going to take V8, allowances, or whatsoever. We can't tell as it stands now. There's no clarity to that. People are saying that duplication of role because OSP is there backed by a law who is supposed to do those things. People are saying, some of the people on the committee and I said the team, they are not saints, so they don't have the mental, the moral right to go after other people and all those things. Let us know what you think. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, see you. Bye-bye. Cheers.